Hey there foodies, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for tasty tech tips and tricks. Got an Uber Eats gift card and ready to treat yourself? Today I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to your Uber Eats account using the website. Let's get started. First open your preferred web browser and go to Uber Eats. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top with three lines and then select wallet.
In wallet section, you will see an option to add a gift card. Click on it.
Enter the gift card code you have received. You can find this code on the back of your physical card or in email if it was sent electronically. After entering the code, you can click add or apply. Your gift card balance will be added to your Uber Eats account instantly and you can start using it right away. And that's it. Adding a gift card to your Uber Eats account is as easy as pie. Now you are all set to order your favorite meals with your gift card balance. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!